Dear students, today on 3rd July 2020, approximately at 11 p.m., there is one notification from ICI side that ICI is cancelling this May 2020, which is supposed to be held from end of July 2020. So it's now official, they cancelled this examination. They merged it with November examination, November 2020 examination. See, because this COVID situation is uncontrollable now, day by day it's increasing in Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Delhi, in other parts of states also. So it is very, very difficult for any organization to conduct the examination. Now ICI is cancelling the examination. So what is the next question is, sir, my exemption which is going to get elapsed in this May 2020, it will be just carried forward. Just think that this attempt itself is not there. So November is your next attempt. So sir, November 1st whether the exam will be conducted, that they will announce only maybe like after or second week of August they will announce. Okay, because they have told at this relevant time, at that time how the situation is, that we have to see. So as of now, November 2020, that's what they told. So in the previous FAQ, they mentioned the word December 2020, first week of December 2020. In this announcement, they mentioned November 2020. So that alone, we have to just wait and watch what happens. So that will be finalized only in the month of August 2020. Now, my advice for you people, whoever planned to write this May 2020 examination, which was postponed to July 2020. My advice for you is, if you are actually planned for one group, you have to start studying for the second group immediately from tomorrow. Start afresh, because you are already studying one group repeatedly again and again and again. Now you got bored for it. Okay, by the time if at all exam would have conducted in July 2020, so many people, you forgot whatever you studied already. So correct, I think so. Sir, I am ready for May 2020 during the month of mid of March, April. But from April mid, I stopped studying only, sir. Even if this exam is conducted, it's very difficult for me to pass. That's what you people told. See, I always ready to help you. You can connect with me. 99405 12888 is my number. 99405 12888. You can WhatsApp me. And always we have schedule, always I will tell you write test, etc. See, I am the faculty who is aggressive. Okay, I am not a easygoing faculty. I am so aggressive. That is the reason out of 30 students we got 5 all India ranks in November 19, and consistently we are producing all India ranks with just 20-25 students or 30 students in number. Every attempt we are producing 2 to 3 ranks. Because of the aggression what I have, that is the same aggression I will give it to my students. I am not an easygoing guy. If you are not going to study, I am not going to talk to you, that kind of person. So if you are planning to write one group, I told in the mid of March, one student called Sabaratnam, I told him he is planning for group 2. I told him, hey Sabha, please concentrate on both groups. This time exam may or may not, or if they are going to get postponed, at least you prepare for group 2 and write group 1. At least 1 or 2 subjects. If he is preparing for group 2, I told him you prepare for group 1 also. 1 or 2 subjects you finish. He completed almost 2 subjects. Law and auditing he completed. So even though he is studying for group 2 consistently for May exam as well as July exam, he completed 2 subjects of group 1 also. So that is not, so it's called calculated risk. Okay, concentrate on group 2 but study group 1 or 2 subjects also. So that's the same thing I'm telling. If you are IPC student, if you are concentrating on one group, if you are final students, you are concentrating on one group, please start studying second group immediately from tomorrow. If you need any assistance, see in letspassca.com, I posted almost all the revision videos. Law is there, auditing I will post it now. Then other faculty, Dinesh Jain, he has posted many free videos. You can go and check it. So if you need anything, okay, books or notes or anything, in whatever you have, like free videos we are posting, keep on doing revision. See, 60 to 70 hours do self-study, okay. Then start writing test series, okay. you keep yourself motivated throughout next 3 to 4 months. Keep yourself motivated. It's very difficult when you are alone. Okay, talk to me, message me, you tell me your progress. I will keep asking you questions, etc. So I say I've cancelled the exam. If you want to celebrate, you celebrate for next 1 or 2 days, because you are so much of stress. Now after 2 days of celebration, start studying immediately for the next. Sir, I already completed one group, sir. I am going to, like Payal kind of person, I already told in the previous video, Payal example. She completed first group last year. She got exemption in second group IDT. Now she has only 3 papers. Now she is ready with the josh to write the examination and clear it. For those kind of person, this cancellation notification is just what I can say, it's a sad thing for them. But yes, accept the fact that the situation is not in control. So for those people, they have to just chill. I can say they can do some part-time assignments now, sitting in their home, because anyway 15 days per subject means 3 subjects, 45 days is more than enough for them to do revision before the examination. So if the exam is going to get conducted, say November 15th for the second group of CA final, even if they start in October, they can easily finish that. So next 2-3 months they can do some assignments or something else also, because you are so much of stress. You keep on studying almost like 6 months, you kept on studying. Now yes, it's time to chill out something, then you can start. So you can go to ICI site. Mostly it would have crashed immediately after the notification. It will take some 2-3 hours time to get recovered. Then you can, by the time you see this video, it may be 4th July, because almost today 11:30 or 11:40 only I am uploading this video on 3rd July. So you will be seeing this video on 4th July. You have to go to the notification sites of ICI. So all the best, keep studying. If you have any problem, you message me. I will talk to you if you want. Maybe like 5 minutes I can talk to you over the phone. I can motivate you personally. Feel free to message me. Okay, see you, all the best.